is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at an undisclosed location, a secret auction. I'm going to show you around. I've got 3 cars that we're going to show you. 3, I could barely do that. I got 3 cars I'm going to show you in this video. Let's jump into this today with the number 1 on my list, a 2013 Hyundai Genesis with 112,000 miles on the odometer. If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you know that I love the Genesis. I always have. Now, I prefer the 2-door, the Genesis Coupe with the 3.8, but I'll take one of these. Oh boy, it's got LED lights on the floor. That's never a good sign, guys. That's never a good sign if she's got LED strips on the floor. I'm just saying. Okay, it's got a little bit of damage. United States Marine Corps up front. I told you, we see a little bit of damage out here sometimes too. It looks like she just needs a, well, oh, she needs more than just that bumper. The radiator's falling out of it, the condenser's falling out of it. It still looks like a relatively easy fix though. Tires are dry rotted and old. She needs a set of tires too. I'll have to pop the hood. I didn't see if this was the V6 or they made a V8 in these as well. I think it's a 5.0 liter. What is this? We got some buttons, LED glow. Oh boy. All right, let's turn on them lights. Oh, they're already on. They're going, I think. Hell, I don't know. I don't see anything happening. I would bet money the AC doesn't work, but who knows? Maybe it does. The steering feels good. Brakes feel fine. It goes in reverse. Right into drive, very smooth, no jerky. Low on fuel. We got a check engine light already. Some paperwork in the glove box we won't get into. Broken USB port. AC is ice cold, I'll be damned. I thought for sure the condenser was shot on this, but it's not. Pop the trunk. Oh, we do have some glow lights under there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's fancy. All right. The important window works. As I said, the air conditioning works. The less important window also works. This is a diesel car. I bet it doesn't go for a whole lot of money with the damage on it. I mean, it needs more than a bumper. Okay, that's important to remember. It needs more than a bumper. You're gonna have to maybe put a core support on it. But I'll bet these Hyundais, if I remember correctly, they're just plastic. I think they're just plastic core supports. And they just bolt on and unbolt, so not a big deal. She seems to run really, really well. Pop the trunk. All right. Nothing crazy in here. Let's see if it comes with a spare tire. What do you think? It does. Oh, wow, that is a huge battery that you would find in a Mercedes. Looks like somebody drilled holes. Okay, and sheet metal screws. They must have had amps or something, and amp wiring run through there. That's what they did. They had a system in this. Okay. All right, well, let's pop the hood real quick. See what's going on under there. If I can find the hood popper. Well, there she is. It doesn't say what it is, but that doesn't look like a V6 to me. That looks like the V8. No, it's not. It is the 3.8 liter with a ginormous engine cover over it. Wow. Well, she seems to be running well. There's not a low coolant line on, so I assume it's still got coolant. The cooling fan is running. Okay. This isn't too bad. What do you guys think? And the fees out here, are totally different. Like, I spent $9,000, I think it was $9,000 last week on a Humvee, and I didn't know what the fee structure was out here, and the total price of a $9,000 Humvee came out to $9,400. So the fees were only $400 on $9,000. And I think that's about where the fees cap out for. for buyers. It's like $400, $450, something like that. So I could buy a $20,000 car and it'd only be $25,400 or something like that. So the fees are incredible. It makes it a pretty good deal. Pretty good. I'm not sitting here saying you can't find good deals at other places. You absolutely can. I find them pretty regularly when I take the time to go out and actually inspect things, check things out for myself. But I'm just saying, it's always good to diversify. It's always good to get out and look around and see what else is out there. And I'm telling you, this could be my new honey hole, man. I think there is a ton of potential in this place. And how did I find it? Well, Tony from David Stanley, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, he told me about it. He said, Randy, you got to go check this place out. He said, you're missing out on some serious opportunities. And I did. Now I'm a member, and here we are. Moving on to the next one. Next on my list, Mopar or no car. 2013 Dodge Challenger. Just an RT. It's got a 5.7 Hemi. It's got 150,000 miles on the odometer. It's got a few dings and whatnots here and there. Whoop-de-doo. Some scrapes and scratches down the hood. She's a little rough, but it's not that bad. It's got the little hash marks there on the hood. Well, you got tint peeling. It's got decent tires. The window tint back here is very bad as well. I mean, overall, though, for just a daily driver, it's a good car, man. It doesn't look awful. And the best part about a car like this is if someone were to ding it or something, you're not going to come out and get overly pissed off about it. You know, it's not the end of the world. Oh. Was this on fire? What is going... Ooh, I don't know, man. Good Lord. Okay. I don't know. I would say this would be a great car to throw some pipes on, man, and just go terrorize the streets in. Straight piper. Gosh, she smells funky. Yeah, that smells funky, and there's this residue. You see that? It almost looks like powder from a fire extinguisher. Okay. Something tells me this isn't going to go for a whole lot of money. It runs, sort of. Ooh. Oh, she ain't happy. Check engine light. Come on, baby. Clear up. Oh. No. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. No. We'll pop the hood. I'm not going to leave that running. She sounds very, very pissed off. Oh, boy. Okay. It's got a new battery. Someone put an AC Delco battery. They spent a lot of money on that. But something under the hood is not happy. Not happy at all. Let's pop the hood real quick, see what's going on. Do you think so? Oh, there's spiders, there's bugs crawling around under here. Well, there's nothing on the car that says not to start it. I don't smell fuel. I don't smell oil. I don't smell anything burning. But it sure looks like someone sprayed the hell out of this with a fire extinguisher. Good Lord. It's got a busted windshield too. I didn't see that right here going up. It's going to need a windshield too. That engine sounded like something bad though. The tint came off this window right here. She's real rough, guys. Maybe that's just dust from a dirt road. But I mean, the thing about it is though, it's all over the seats. It's all over the interior. So that doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. You comment below and tell me, oh, this has been repainted. There's trash in the paint. I don't know if you can see it. She's been repainted, the whole car. There's a crease in the roof up here. Okay, see, the more time we spend looking at it, the more secrets we uncover. Plus the mechanical damage. Yeah. Well, you guys know I love a good Mopar, unfortunately. Even though this one looks pretty sick, I think the black with the chrome wheels just really looks good. This is one I don't think I'd touch, guys. Lots of dents over here too. Lots of dents here. Dents all up here. Some hail damage too. Scrapes. And then whatever's going on that dashboard. Take a look at this. Maybe you could see it from here. No, probably not. Yeah, there you go. You see that? What is that? I don't know. Okay. All right. I think that's going to be it for the Challenger. Let's move on to something else. Last on my list, ladies and gentlemen, a 2018 Lincoln Navigator. I love this. I told you some of the cars out here do have pre-existing damage and some of them don't. This one has some damage. And because it's aluminum, it's probably going to cost a lot more to fix than you might think. Or here's an idea. You could always buy it with the damage and not fix it and just enjoy it as it is. The damage on this, honestly, I think is mostly in the running boards. You can clearly see the door. I mean, the door did take some damage down here, and it's a little rough. But I think if you replace these running boards, yeah, I think if you just replaced the running boards, that would clear up the majority of the damage. I think it would look a lot better. Personally, if I was going to buy it for myself and it wasn't going to be something to try to flip, I would rock this son of a gun just the way it is, man. I wouldn't give a damn about a little scrape on the front door. Now, if you keep it for 5 or 6 years and you put some miles on it, then maybe when it's about time to sell it, the parts will be cheaper. You could buy a door maybe for 400 bucks. Then you'd have a nice, completely done, ready to go Navigator, and you got to enjoy it and put a lot of miles on. This thing is nice, guys. I don't know how much they go for, but I'm gonna bet it's a small fortune. You got the beautiful running boards that come out when you open the door. You've got these big tablet-style screens in the back. Look at that. You look at this console back here for the passengers. Is that not amazing? The third row seats, look at those. This thing is luxury right here, guys. I mean, absolute luxury. I can't wait to show you the front seat. Yeah, the bumper's got a little damage here too. There's a clip in here that's most likely broken. You know, sheet metal screw will fix all that right up, because that's how you do a Navigator, right? Is there a button? And if there is a button, I don't know where it is. All right, we're gonna hop into the front seat now. I love this. I love this, man. I could see you getting rid of my truck for this. I wonder how much this is. I'd have to talk to Jessica about that. I would consider ditching the truck for something like this. This is really, really nice. Oh my God, yes. There are little stars on the dashboard. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Oh, somebody better stop me. Somebody better stop me. Okay, here's your seats. Let's raise them up a little bit. I got to get adjusted. Margaritaville. There you go. All right. Let's get my seat adjusted a little bit. Scoot it forward. It's too far back. Look at the setup in this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh yeah. Drive mode. You've got normal, slippery, deep conditions. I guess that's it. Normal, conservative, ooh, excite, responsive, and engaging. Oh, woo. Brakes feel good. Goes right into gear. Backup. Oh, we got the bird's eye 360. You got the backup cam as well. Look at those gauges. Those are slick. Those are slick. AC, of course, ice freaking cold. We've got air-conditioned seats on max. Important window. Of course it works. Of course it does. Oil's been changed by Bill Knight Lincoln. So dealer has been servicing this bad boy. Shall we pop the hood? Let's pop the hood. I'm gonna have to get Jessica over and have her look at this. I don't care about a damn ding. I don't know how much this thing is, but it cannot be $80,000. And that's what my truck came out to. My truck was, I think, 82. All right. Does it have the flip down seats and everything? It does. Oh, dude, yes. Yes. Yeah, I want this. Huh. Can I convince Jessica to let me get rid of the truck for this? I doubt it. I don't think she's gonna let me do it. I really don't. She loves the truck. I love the truck too, but damn. Yeah, I would do this all day long. I would do this all day long. This is luxurious. Super nice. The truck is too. It is. What engine are they using? Is it the 3.5? I would imagine it's that twin turbo. Yeah, it's gonna be the twin turbo. I don't see an emission sticker on it anywhere. No? I'm sure it's the 3.5 twin turbo V6. The Eco Beast that they're putting in just about everything. She runs like a top. She sounds healthy. Oh man. I don't know, guys. I don't know. She's got a few dings and, you know, a few little bumps and bruises on her, but honestly, this is so nice. Look at the bolsters on these seats. All right. This is all adjustable. Look at this. Everything is adjustable right here. Okay. This is what they mean when they say the lap of luxury. All right, guys, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to enjoy this thing for a minute, and then I'm going to get up out of here. Oh, whoa, real quick. Can you guys see that? Can you see the heads-up display? I think you can if you look right about there. I think you can kind of see it. Oh, that is bad. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I want this. I want it bad. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. I truly appreciate it. Till next time, stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.